who witnessed different festivals in the country and asked, what makes the Gigantes and Arts Festival unique among the other festivals in the country? What will you tell them? Kung ikaw ay magiging isang tour guide dito sa Moro at may tourist ka na nakapunta sa iba't ibang pista o festivals sa buong bansa at itinanong niya ito sa iyo, ano ang nagiging natatangi sa Gigantes at Arts Festival kumpara sa iba pang festivals sa Pilipinas? Ano ang sasabihin mo sa kanila?
I will simply tell a story about the history of our Gigantes Festival. Gigantes Festival as a colorful festival in Philippines, but it started as a civilized protest against child labor, a way for farmers to release their stress and anger. But as time goes by, with the help of the people and the locals, it grew into a celebration of hope, peace, and abundance. And today, as a proud product of the art capital of